All right, Tucker, this is your schedule for tomorrow, Friday, December 18th. I'm going to go through this with you real quick. For the morning time, since we are done with our math test and I do not want to start a new math module before winter break, I decided to give you guys extra time on Zern. Your goal is to be done with lesson 23 by the end of winter break, so you have a long time to get that done. At 9:30, we have our language arts Zoom meeting, and we're going to be working in our Wonders book. We're going to be answering the reread questions on page 59 through 61. And then on page 68, we're going to be answering a question using RACE. Restate, answer, cite evidence, explain. I would also like you to complete 2 of the IXL Language Arts recommendations that is found under Diagnostic in the IXL tab. If you have questions on that, let me know. And then for our 12 days of holiday cheer, you are asked to write a note to someone to make them smile. And if it is someone that you want to give to them at school, feel free to write the note and bring it with you on Monday and we can share it then. We have our recess and lunchtime. Science, there are a lot of things it looks like on here, but it's really not a lot. So the first thing I want you to do in science is the Intro to the Moon lesson and quiz on Canvas. You do not have to do the activity, just the lesson and the quiz. Then the night and day lesson only on Canvas. Only the night and day lesson. You do not have to do the quiz. And then the phases of the moon lesson and quiz on Canvas. So all 3 of those are in Canvas on science. You only have 2 quizzes, 3 lessons, no activities. Special is between 12:30 and 1:30. It's Free Choice Friday. And then in the afternoon from 1:30 to 2, I have a math help Zoom scheduled. So if you are on Zern and you are stuck on a problem and you want me to help you, log on Zoom at 1:30. I can go in and help you remotely. And then last but not least, we have our novel study chapters. We have Because of Winn-Dixie. You need to be done with chapter 23, and I believe that's what you are reading right now. And yeah, it is. That's what it says on my sheet. You are reading Because of Winn-Dixie, so you need to be done with lesson 23 by the end of the week here to stay on track with schedule. All right, Tucker, that is what I have planned for you today. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.